So here is a MIDI controller that I have built by mounting arcade buttons in an old Speak and Spell. None of the original hardware exists inside the Speak and Spell. It's totally gutted. It's been replaced by a microcontroller. You can see the light there that I've programmed for MIDI. So I opened up a song that I made with totally different equipment, actually, but just to give you an idea of what this looks like in action. I think I've got some vocal breaks loaded up right now, so yeah. So let's try it with something else, maybe, I don't know, what's this? Guess I hooked up a lot of stuff to arpeggiators in this track. Let's try. Oh. So, as you can see, this goes up chromatically, 12 tones. The buttons are very satisfying to hit, actually. All right, that's the whole thing. Thanks.